Welcome to Baby's Boo World, your cozy corner of calm bedtime stories. Parents snuggle in with your little one and enjoy this peaceful read aloud. It was a bright Saturday afternoon
Yay!
when Emma and Ayan packed their little overnight bags. They were going to spend the night at Grandpa's Joy's house, and that always meant fun. Grandpa Joy lived in a cozy brick cottage. Grandpa, we are here, shouted Ayan as he ran up the steps. Grandpa Joy opened the door with his big warm smile. There's my favorite team, he said, pulling them into a bear hug. His big glasses slid down his nose, and Emma giggled as she put them back up for him. The evening was full of joy. They baked cookies together, though Grandpa spilled flour on his nose. They played board games until everyone was laughing so hard that even the cat Whiskers ran away to hide under the couch. When bedtime finally came, Emma and Ayan snuggled into their sleeping bags in the living room. Grandpa went upstairs to put on his pajamas. Now, Grandpa's pajamas were not just any pajamas. No one knew was that these pajamas had a secret. When the clock struck midnight, they loved to dance. The house was quiet. Emma and Ayan were fast asleep. The old clock in the hallway ticked dog until finally it chimed dong dong dong. And before Grandpa knew it, the pajamas jumped up and shouted. Well, not with words, but with moves. They spun, they twirled, they started breakdancing right in the middle of the living room. Grandpa woke up with a start. He whispered, Not tonight. He tried to grab the pajamas, but they slid away, spinning on the floor like a top. The noise woke Emma. She rubbed her eyes. Grandpa, what's going on? Aunt sat up too, his mouth dropped open. Are those your pajamas dancing? Sure enough, the pajamas were spinning on their bottoms, flipping their sleeves in the air, and even trying to do the worm across the carpet. At first, Grandpa was embarrassed. Oh dear, these pajamas never listen to me, he muttered, but then the pajamas grabbed his hands and started twirling him around. Grandpa danced with them, Emma shouted, clapping her hands. Grandpa chuckled, Well, if you can't beat them, join them. And so he did. Grandpa Joy, in his silly striped pajamas, began to dance right alongside them. He spun in circles, wiggled his hips, and even tried a cartwheel, but fell softly onto the couch instead. The kids laughed so hard their tummies hurt. Ayan rolled on the floor, holding his sides, and Emma's eyes filled with tears of joy. Whiskers, the cat, peeked out, stared at the wild scene, and quickly ran back under the couch again. Then they flipped backwards into the air and landed on Grandpa's head like a silly hat. Grandpa staggered around, pretending to be a famous dancer on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Grandpa Joy and his magical pajamas. He announced in a deep, funny voice. The living room roared with laughter. Then, tired but happy, they all collapsed onto the couch in a pile of giggles. Best sleepover ever, whispered Ayan. Emma nodded. Grandpa, your pajamas are amazing. Do they always do this? Grandpa winked. Well, they only dance when they feel very, very happy. And tonight, having my grandkids here made them happier than ever. The children snuggled close to him. The pajamas wrapped themselves around Grandpa like a blanket, finally calming down after their grand performance. Before long, everyone was yawning. Emma curled up in her sleeping bag and dozed off with a smile, and even Whiskers purred softly from under the chair. Papa sat in his rocking chair. The house grew quiet again, but in the children's dream, the pajamas were still dancing, trilling, and flipping in the moonlight. And from that night on, Emma and Ayan never forgot the sleepover surprise, the magical night when Grandpa's pajamas put on the silliest, funniest, most wonderful dance show they had ever seen. If you like this story, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Baby's Boo World. See you in the next story. Bye bye.